Hi, what's going on, guys? Chris Rudnick here, and today we're gonna be reviewing Chris's Jeep, not my Jeep, the Chris over there, and here it is. So Chris, tell us your name.
Name's Chris.
All right, so
what
do you got here?
An 01 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
A Grand Cherokee. Tell us about this thing.
It's got a custom 6-inch Clayton off-road suspension lift, full long arms, front and rear, 4-link, electronic lockers, front and rear. Axles are out of a 09 Rubicon, they're Dana 44s, running 410 gears. It's got a 4.7 liter V8, motor stock pretty much. It's got a throttle body spacer and aftermarket exhaust from Clayton. Got a full roll cage inside.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
That's
sweet.
You didn't see the cage?
No, I actually didn't. I didn't even know that.
Oh, it's a big deal. 9,500 pound winch, ARV bumper. List goes on and on.
Yeah, so I remember in one of my videos I saw you at a gas station and I forgot what I said. Do you remember what I said? I don't. I said something about like
squeaky clean.
Yeah, squeaky clean, like a princess car. Is this a princess car?
Oh no, it's used.
Oh my, you're gonna go over that? No, you're not. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God. So apparently I was wrong. This thing actually does seed the dirt. And I actually battled him to an off-road off when I get the Camry done. So stick around for that if you guys want to see that. I'm gonna be beating this Jeep with my Camry. So, what are these, 37s?
Yep, 37, 12 and a half on a 17 by 9.
You see, I'm gonna have 30s, and it's gonna be sweet. So, and I got no winch or nothing. It's gonna make it. Oh my God! Dude. Holy crap, dude. I can't believe I said this is a princess truck. Alright, so here's the trunk. Honestly, the first thing I noticed, I don't even notice the tire yet. I noticed this fucking shovel. What the fuck? What is that?
It's a crazy beaver shovel. Hence the name on it.
So you just kill beavers with it?
Oh no.
Has it been used?
I have not used it yet.
Not yet. Oh my God. Is this a 37 too?
No, that's a 33.
That looks a lot meatier. Oh, no, not really. So,
than a stock tire. There's
the full roll cage for you guys. How many miles does this have?
I just hit 100,000 miles last week.
Just hit 100,000. So is this where my car's gonna be linked up to?
Oh yeah. It's a Camry recovery system.
Oh dude, she's gonna make it. And it's got a roof rack, if that's what you call it. And I mean, come on, check out this. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for like, I don't even know, but check that out. For all the horny out there. Got that light bar. Is that eBay special or no?
Yeah.
eBay special, I love it. Oh, shit. She roars. All right, so I'm gonna try to get in this thing. Ugh. All right, so she's huge. We're in the stock Jeep Cherokee now. Is that shut? Yeah.
Yeah, shut.
All right. So, let's do it. Dude, these seats are comfortable.
It's super heated too.
Yeah, my stepdad had a Cherokee and like, it didn't have this nice leather package in it.
No, it's a limited.
Oh. Totaled. You can definitely feel the sway. Oh my God! That's like a sailboat, dude. Holy crap. Jesus Christ. How good is this thing on gas? It's gotta be great.
7.6.
Oh, 7.6? Dude. Oh. Honestly, I think this is faster than the Legacy. I mean, I'm pressed against my seat. Woo. Put this on so people don't get mad at me. Safety first. Oh God. If any of you have a lifted Jeep out there, show some love in the comments. Give him a follow on his Instagram. Do you have a YouTube?
I do have a YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
DeSanti_offroad.
Alright, so if you guys want to see that, it's going to be right here, the YouTube. And we're going to give that 2 seconds. Alright, and his Instagram is going to be right here. And that's also going to be in the link below. And, yeah. It's mint. Except for the sway and the gas mileage.
Sway's mint. You get used to it.
Dude, I can't wait to romp this thing in the woods.
You want to go in the woods?
Yeah.
You'll go in the woods?
Is that a question or?
Oh, I meant like, oh my god. Oh my god. I meant like, I'm gonna beat you in the woods, but I'm down to go in the woods.
Well, let's be honest. It really
Alright, so we're hopping into Grillo's backyard here. So. Oh yeah. This is what the big boys do. Oh my, you're gonna go over that? No, you're not. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is awesome. What? Dude, oh my god.
You didn't think I was serious, did you?
That was fucking awesome. I feel really bad for calling this a princess car. Dude, this thing is mad. Oh. Woo. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
No, stop it. You're a madman. I gotta roll my window. It's, oh my god! Holy crap! Oh, Jesus Christ! You're not going up this. It's not gonna make it. If it makes it, I'm crying. If it makes it, I'm crying. Oh my god! No! No way! I've never experienced this in my life.
Really?
Jesus Christ! Thank God I got a seatbelt on. I can't even stay in the seat. Oh.
This thing, you never worry about like falling.
Oh my! I hope this camera's doing this justice because holy shit, dude! Oh my god, dude! No, my god!
Wait, let me get out.
What do you mean? Grillo, where you going, dude?
I'm not dying.
Grillo, where you going?
Holy shit.
Grillo, where you going?
Fuck this. I'll watch from the outside. I'm not dying. I'm not ready to die. Fuck that.
Dude, this is insane. Have you ever done this?
No, this is great. You scared Grillo out.
I cannot believe Grillo ran out. Get me out, he said. This is a hill climb and a half. Jesus Christ. Have you been on this trail before?
Yeah.
What?
Told you I use this thing.
Shout out to Grillo in the back. Oh my god, dude.
Makes me smile more than my car does.
Oh, dude, honestly, my face has, like, not left a smile, not once. Grillo's in the back, dude. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! This is nuts. This is fucking nuts. Oh, wait, let me get out if you're gonna do this. I want to watch. I gotta show this on camera. This needs to be justified. This needs to be justified right now. Fucking ridiculous. This is fucking ridiculous, dude. I gotta see this from the outside. Like, look at this. Holy shit.
Is it gonna make it up those rocks?
Dude, apparently. This is fucking insane. This is, look at that, dude. Look at that. What the fuck? This thing's a rock crawler. This is not even the biggest one either. We've been way bigger. Camry build coming up real fast after this thing. Oh my god! Dude. Holy crap, dude. I can't believe I said this is a princess truck. Look at this. This thing's a demon, dude. Grillo, tell me that wasn't the time of your life.
That was the time of my life. That's fucking insane. I can't believe it's actually made it without falling.
Dude.
I'll give it credit. It's a
I need to get an Instagram photo for this thing. Straight flexing, dude. So yeah, I think fuck the Lynch. Cause who the fuck needs a Lynch when you got 37s and a huge ass fucking Jeep? I'm still getting over the fact that we fucking made it up all this shit. Once again, the camera probably doesn't do it justice, but it's sick. Really, don't tell me you're walking down the hill. You're not walking down the... Oh my god, I almost took down that tree. You're getting in, right, Grillo? You have to, dude.
He's gonna walk.
Grillo's walking?
fuck this.
No, get in. Get in. You really said you were gonna walk.
I really will. I would much prefer it.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Yeah, we got a roll cage, dude. We're all good. I can't believe we're going down this thing. This is ridiculous. Holy shit. Grill, you shitting?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's roll these up this time. I know what they mean miles per gallon now. Holy shit. You don't even bottom out, dude.
No.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
You alright, dude? You got like your roller coaster bar right here, dude.
Not as bad going down as it is going.
No, fun. Going up was so much fun. I was literally. You need like bucket seats for this thing, dude.
Yeah, I know.
You can't even like.
There's harness loops on the crossbars.
How
That's
do you?
what they're actually for.
How do you even drive when you're just getting thrown around everywhere? It's like.
You just learn to move with it.
How long have you owned this thing for?
I've owned this for a year.
That's it?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. I've spent a whole lot of money in a year.
Grillo's holding on for dear life. I can feel it. You alright back there? Oh, dude, feel it, we're flipping. Oh, oh my God. You all right, buddy?
No, not really, but I'm gonna have to tough it out.
Give it a thumbs up.
Can I say something for the record to the dear YouTuber?
What?
I can, sweet. There's Hummers, and I thought Hummers were badass. I think this outdoes a Hummer. What do you think, bud?
Oh, dude, I think this outdoes any off-road monster, except the Camry. I'm coming to Gorilla's backyard with the Camry soon, but I'm probably gonna have to get towed out. But she'll make it at least halfway.
She'll make it inside.
What is this, a cliff? That looks like a straight cliff, dude. I really hope these angles do it justice. Real is your favorite part, dude. Oops. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, then make sure to do so. If you guys want to see the off-road battle coming in the summer, be sure to stick around for that, because it's going to be epic. Here's the trees right there. But yeah, and if you guys want to follow his YouTube and Instagram, I'm sure he's got some gnarly fucking off-road shit. So check it out. Woo! Frame bang for you guys. See you in the next one.